Hey guys, welcome back to High Tech Tens. Today we'll talk about whether Reddit will join the NFT business. Let's head into it. Collectible avatars are the name given to Reddit's newly launched non-fungible token or NFT initiative, which will be powered by blockchain technology. On Thursday, July the 7th, the popular discussion platform that is renowned for content aggregation and rating announced the introduction of the new digital collectibles and said they would be accessible to the general public in a few weeks. The announcement was made public for the first time in a press release that was issued by a member of the Reddit team. The statement announced the availability of blockchain-based Reddit avatars that were supported on the Polygon network. In accordance with the statement, the use of Bitcoin is not required in order to acquire these avatars, nor will they be put up for public bidding in any capacity. Each avatar may be purchased using fiat currency, which is money that is produced by a government. The price of each avatar is predetermined. During this time, the collectible avatars will only be accessible during the NFT pre-sale stage, which will be portrayed as first looker early access and will be restricted to a small number of individuals who join the Our Collectible Avatars forum. The forum offers a space for gaining acquaintance with the creative artists, as well as information on collectible avatars, the creation of wallets for their storage, and other related topics. In addition to that, it serves as a forum for AMAs pertaining to the project. Reddit has urged users who own collectible avatars to use Vault, the platform's blockchain-supported wallet that operates on chains compatible with Ethereum, in order to exercise control over their avatars. In addition to that, users may save their community points in their Vault accounts. Reddit offers its artists on the platform support and assistance. According to a post that was made on Reddit's site, the newest series of collectible avatars are a limited edition that was produced by a variety of artists in partnership with Reddit. Redditors who invest in the NFTs will be able to enjoy specific on-platform perks when they set their collectible avatar as their avatar on Reddit. These benefits will be made available to them when they set their avatar. One of these benefits is the ability to mix and match their avatar clothing and accessories with their profile picture, as well as having a glow-like effect in their profile image when it is shown in the comments area. According to the release, the artists who are responsible for the creation of the digital art will get royalties for each sale, and individual sales will provide the particular NFT owners rights to use the artwork both on and off the platform. In addition, those who hold NFTs have the ability to trade collectible avatars on secondary markets such as OpenSea and SuperRare, but not on Reddit itself. According to a press release issued by Reddit, the majority of artists who contributed to this project came from well-known creative communities such as R-Comics, R-Procreate, and Adobe Illustrator. These artists developed and brought forward the knowledge and expertise they had gained through their participation in these communities in order to create collectible avatars. In addition, some of the artists were local to the area, selected from Reddit's network and given the opportunity to present their talents to the Reddit community for the very first time. The social media and conversation platform cooperated with Arbitrum in the creation of their Layer 2 L2 technology in 2021. Which included Ethereum-based community point tokens. The new development adds to the blockchain technology repository that the site already had. Later on in the same year, Reddit employed an executive engineer to work on a platform that would enable NFT-backed digital commodities. Prior to reporting in January 2022 on the alleged testing of NFT profile picture functions, Reddit said that it had hired an executive engineer for the platform. Avatars on Reddit. A little over a year and a half ago, Reddit introduced a tool called the Avatar Builder. This tool gives users of the site the ability to create and modify their own avatars, giving them a new way to present themselves on Reddit. Following that, the platform for online debate displayed a number of accessories, gears, and haircuts that provided Redditors with more expression options. After these developments took place, a collaboration between Netflix, Riot Games, and the Australian Football League or AFL was formed in order to purchase the customized avatars of Reddit users. The previous achievements of Reddit avatar projects served as an inspiration for the one we have today. The site's excitement in seeing what would happen when artists on Reddit were licensed to build their own types of avatars was inspired by the new release, which sparked the attention of the platform. The debut also draws from the platform's ambition to see the consequence of offering artists an outlet for showcasing their artwork to the broader community and making money in the process, which resulted in the creation of collectible avatars. Within the next several weeks, everyone will be able to start receiving their collectible avatars. You may get a preview of what's to come by joining the R Collective Avatars subreddit in the meanwhile. Additionally, the business noted that collectible avatars are one of the first steps being taken on the platform to investigate the use of blockchain technology. What do you think about the introduction of NFTs on Reddit? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure that you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.